Hello folks, welcome back to Outdoors with Mike. I got a bag full of fish, walleye. Stay tuned. We'll start with, we'll get a fish from the bag of fish. We got a walleye here, folks. Oh, it's gonna be good. I left it out. It's kind of just like it was in an ice cooler. Yeah, we'll get this, get it wiped off. We'll start with that. We'll cut this one first, folks. Walleye. Looks so good. It's very sunny today. It got cold and it's back. Weather's today is getting hot again. Probably continue melting the snow. Oh, it's very good when it's half frozen. Cuts good. Yeah, we'll cut this walleye up. First one, first fish of the day. Right here, you could go right through and you go down on the bone, just like that. Yeah, and we'll continue skinning it down. There, folks. First fillet of the season. I'll get this walleye cut up. Oh, there's eggs here too. Fresh eggs. All right, here's the one walleye. And that's how we're gonna do fillets with the walleyes. Yeah, I'll cut this one more time for you. Try to do it quick. Keep the video a little short. Wow, looks so good. I think I'll fry this one up in grease in the house. Ouch. Always watch this, remember? Very sharp. Very easy to forget. There's one fillet. All right. There we go. Okay. Here's a walleye fillet, folks. Continue on. One fillet there. Another here, walleye. Very delicious for you and healthy at the same time. There you go. Continue on. With our number 2 walleye. Our number 3 walleye. Oh, very delicious. Where's the walleye, folks? Nice texture. That's what all the hard work all about. We shared it a lot. Alright. We'll skin up the few we got. We'll continue on. April's cooking for herself. She needs her iron.